New from Connect Workshop Consumables, the Smart Clean Stripping Disc. Removes paint and rust quickly and leaves a surface perfect for paint adhesion. And the Smart Clean Stripping Disc runs cooler than comparable discs, no heat damage to underlying surfaces. The non-clogging pad is impregnated with sharp cutting, long-lasting abrasive the whole way through, and the slim profile goes into tight corners for complete paint stripping and surface preparation. With many other pads, detail work is compromised when the abrasive material wears down to the backing pad. But with the Smart Clean Stripping Disc, simply snip off the cooling vent ring and make good use of the remaining abrasive material. Finding it difficult to get into these tight areas? Simply flip over the disc. It can be mounted either way for greater access and versatility. The very clever Smart Clean Stripping Disc from Connect Workshop Consumables.